So that's where I would be entering a long position. So hopefully that explains the range bars and the audio signals at a little deeper level for you guys. And make sure that you guys get started. So the platform that we're trading on is abato.com. Remember, we have to treat this like a business, so we have to reduce our expenses. And in trading, our business expense, you can call it, is the spreads. So that's the difference between the buy and sell. So we always want to make sure that we're selecting a broker that has very low spreads, or else when you enter a buy trade, you're gonna get such a huge difference between the buy and sell. You're already gonna be in the negative quite a bit, and the market's gonna have to move a huge amount for you to just break even. So we always want to make sure that the spreads are as low as possible, and then for sure we got to make sure that there's zero commission and zero swap. And we've tested the strategy with higher fee brokers, and it just doesn't work. And no strategy will actually ever work. So we always have to make sure that we're selecting a broker. And that's why, guys, this is the place to trade. It's abato.com. Don't waste time. Get started right away. And let's see what else is going on in the chat here.